Hello respected teachers and viewers. Today I'll be making one of the recipe my mother used to make for me ever since my childhood, Pao Bhaji. So Pao Bhaji literally means bread and vegetables. It might sound a little boring, but over 15 million people in Mumbai eat it every other day. So in this recipe, which ingredients goes is capsicum, garlic, onion, lime, potato, chili, ginger and tomato and green peas. But the heart of the whole recipe is butter. This is what gives us its distinguishable flavor. So to make our ingredients soft, we're going to put them in a pressure cooker. The pressure cooker is the easiest and shortest method of cooking the vegetables until they're soft. In this way, your pav bhaji will be ready in minutes. This recipe, I will be cooking for 4 people, my family members. So I will add 4 whole potatoes, some capsicum, around 5 to 6 chilies, some garlic, ginger, two whole tomatoes and green peas. So now after pressure cooking, our ingredients are nice and soft. So now we're going to cook these vegetables with a generous amount of butter in this pot.
What about water?
The water, this remaining water, we'll be using it furthermore in cooking as it has all the nutrients and values inside of it. Now we're going to add our onions until they're translucent. Once the onions have caramelized, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and half tablespoon of turmeric. Here we go in our masalas. Now I'm going to be adding my vegetables. So now that we add our ingredients in the water and it's done boiling, we add these 3 ingredients: 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala, 2 tablespoons of dry fenugreek leaves and 1 tablespoon salt. Now our bhaji is ready to eat, but first you have to toast the pav bread. So now we have to toast our pav bread. We put all of them over here. Now the bread is nicely toasted. It is ready to serve now. Now the pav bhaji is ready and it's always served with a little butter on top and with side of onion and some lime. Papa, come and try it. It's so tasty.
Let me try. Looks very delicious. Looks yummy. Pia, amazing. You made it really very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, Papa.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video.